so a bit cooler than our typical 65-degree temperature mark this time of year. That's because of all the clouds that we see out there across the Susquehanna Valley and all of Pennsylvania for that matter. This morning, there is still some pretty dense fog. You see out in Cumberland County, still 0 visibility. Getting over to Dauphin and Lebanon counties, 3 and 4 mile visibility, but down to our south, we finally are starting to get that visibility back for your morning travels. You see outside in Harrisburg, we can finally see the Capitol pretty full on. Last week on Sunday, we hit 84 for a high, and today, with us only projected to get to 60, you see there is such a big difference a week can make. As we said, the transition was not gradual, but we do have this fall weather here to stay. Also, with these temperatures being right around 60 for the first half of the week, and then as you see getting into the 50s more for the latter part of the week, that actually is helping us see fall foliage. Mid-October for the northern parts of the county, late October we'll see our peaks, but with these cooler, drier conditions, that is going to come sooner. You see for the rest of the week, we get into the low 40s. We do have some precipitation. Now, we are looking to see a weak system come through. That weak system is going to bring with it chance for some light rain and possibly even some snow showers in the higher elevations up in the ridges. Aside from that, we stay dry until Friday night going into Saturday morning. That's when we see our next chance for rain. And again, this is just going to be rain. Our temperatures are pretty warm still up into the atmosphere, into the lower part of the atmosphere. They're warm enough that we're not going to see any snow showers, but we are still going to have those cooler temperatures in the 40s. Okay. It's a beautiful and windy Wednesday out here today. We're looking to see temperatures getting up near record highs of 88 degrees. I'll have your weekend forecast coming up soon. Current temperatures across the area, 37 in Harrisburg, but if you take a look back out west, it's very, very cold. If you look at Chicago even, 19 degrees. And going more west, Topeka sitting at 23 and Denver even 31. So we really can't complain too much. We're sitting at 37 in Harrisburg and have some milder air coming in by Tuesday. And with that mild air, it's going to come some more rain showers for tomorrow. And I'll give you the timing on that in just a bit. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. It will stay brisk and chilly. Temperatures only 34 to 38. So very cool as we are going to be settling into that cooler air mass later on tonight. That's going to keep us a bit cool tomorrow too. Not feeling like spring yet. Into the start of this week, we will have a chance for rain and possibly even some snow. Some flurries, nothing major, but possibly even some snow tomorrow evening. It's going to stay brisk as we only have temperatures going 46 to 50. Now, what is the timing for that next bit of rain and possibly even snow? That comes with this next low pressure system. Well, good morning and happy June. Today is actually the first day of meteorological summer. It's also the start of the Atlantic hurricane season, so it's a pretty exciting day for us to have. Taking a look outside in Middletown, Harrisburg is beautiful right now. Now, when I say beautiful, I'm talking about the fact that we have calmer conditions. We don't have any rain right now. Now, it isn't beautiful in terms of how the air feels. It's pretty muggy out there, but we are going to stay dry. Temperatures across the entire mid-state ranging from the low 60s to the mid-60s and even the low 50s as we look back towards State College and up north parts of the mid-state. Even though these temperatures overall are in the mid-60s, our dew point temperatures, if we focus here on the mid-state, our dew point temperatures are close to 60. And anytime we have dew point temperatures close to or above 60, it feels pretty muggy out there. So everywhere that we see green here, you know it's going to be muggy. And so this is our current dew points. They're only going to get higher throughout the day. So we're going to have a fairly muggy day, much different from yesterday. Looking outside on radar and satellite, we do have some clouds building back to our west. That's going to continue to build into the area today. It's still going to stay dry for most of the day though. If we take a look back out west, bigger picture here, this storm system is what we're going to be keeping our eye on for most of the weekend. So if we look at this photo here, that low pressure system right now back off to the Midwest is what's going to be producing our weekend storms. Behind that, you see this cold front? And all of this cool Canadian air coming in, that's not only going to be cooler air, but it'll be much drier air, and that is going to grace our region on Monday. So even though we do have these muggy conditions right now, and possibly even tomorrow, by Monday it's going to cool off considerably. So if we look now to see what we have coming on precision cast all the way through today, most of today, by 8 p.m., we don't see any rain showers. Now, I will say that earlier, when I had the last forecast for you, Precision Cast was showing some showers starting in the north and western part of the mid-state at this point. So that goes to show you that there is some variability here with Precision Cast at the timing of these storms. Most of these storms actually stay to our north. They're slowly coming down by 11 on Precision Cast. Again, this might come a little sooner, might come a little bit later. We're going to be keeping our eye on that throughout the day to let you know. And you see by 1 a.m., all the way up in Lebanon, Dauphin, Lancaster County, you see some more rain. A little bit of heavy, quick showers are going to move through overnight. By Sunday afternoon, though, we see some more widespread rain showers. Those continue to move in, some heavier rain down to our south in York County, Adams County as well. But we'll be continuing to check and see just how strong those showers are. We clear out for Monday. Again, I said we'll have some cooler air on Monday. Let's take a look at this 7-day forecast. We're going to spend a little time on this because it's really interesting how we have these muggy conditions, these warmer summer-like temperatures for Saturday and Sunday. We have a better chance for those rain showers in the early afternoon tomorrow. Remember, around 3:30 p.m. tomorrow is when we saw some heavier rain showers. And because the ground is so saturated right now from all the severe weather that we had this past week, low-lying areas might see some localized flooding tomorrow if you get a heavy downpour. That would clear out though. And then behind that, like I said, cooler, drier air, 68 for Monday, 72 Tuesday, and then we're back into the 80s Wednesday through Friday. So a little bit of a roller coaster, but a nice reprieve.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Me
for sure.
Too.